In today's video, I will break down my trading day. So it was a buy trading day because I was supposed to take one position, but I ended up revenge trading and taking a second position. So I will break down the trade and explain why I did it and how I can prevent it next time. So on the daily, overall, like, we're in the range. The buyers failed to maintain acceptance above the weekly supply, and we saw sellers step in the candle close spike below the weekly supply. And the H4 trend is bearish, H1 trend bearish. There's the control area, and we have a control area at 6907 where sellers last defended and displacement followed. What is a control area? A control level is the most recent level where one side defended and the opposing side failed to reclaim and price accepted away. So at this 6907, we're seeing buyers failing to reclaim above the 6907 and sellers step in, and we saw a rotation lower. M30 trend bearish, trading below VWAP. So my pre-market was overnight ES traded lower after buyers failed to reclaim acceptance above 6907. Once buyers lost the level, sellers step back in, reclaim below it, and maintain an acceptance, leading to downside follow through. At 9:30, there was PMI at 9:45, so I had to wait. I always trade after high impact news. So we saw buyers fail to reclaim above the daily demand and close with some selling pressure. On the M5, when the candle closed below the H4 level and retested and rejected, I entered. Stop was above the week, and my stop was the next daily demand. And I got a quick loss, like I gotta end the position, and I quickly got stop out, and because of the loss I got back. I took another position once I saw this rejection, and I was wrong. Why? Because of the momentum. Like, this is my invalidation. Like, if I see a candle rejection with that momentum and I'm looking to possibly short, I'm not this is a invalidation that I need to wait for a second rejection, simply because of the size of the candle. So the reason why I broke my rule is because I took a loss. It's simply that's, like, us as humans, like, we don't like losing, and I wanted to end the week with a winning trade, and by having that state of mind, I ended up taking a unnecessary loss by taking this position and losing. And for the rest of the day, like, the price action was choppy, like it wasn't clear at all. So yeah, so that was my first breakdown, and there's many to come.